Caught in Google's AI update? Why 40% of surgeon websites vanished in 12 months? If you're a plastic surgeon who hasn't checked your website traffic lately, you may want to do that before you watch this, because what happened to plastic surgeons' visibility online in the last 12 months is not a small story. The way patients find a surgeon online has been completely rewritten. What worked before is now obsolete. Practices using old methods saw their visibility drop 15% overnight. Some saw a 40% collapse. This wasn't a small adjustment. It was Google's Perspective Core update, targeting medical authority, but a second stronger force is now intercepting your patients. AI overviews in search results. We will break down these two shifts, show you why old SEO is broken, and give you the new system to win patients. First, let's look at what failed. The Perspective update demolished generic templated medical content. Google now uses a new standard, EEAT. The extra E is for experience and is mandatory for surgeons. This isn't just years in practice, it's provable expertise through detailed case studies and unique videos. So Google demands proof of real-world experience. How does this link to the threat of vanishing patients? AI overviews now appear first in over 51% of all health-related searches, higher than nearly any other field. This leads to zero-click searches. Patients get a summary or recommendation without visiting any website. Instead of a list of 10 links to research, the patient gets direct AI-curated answers about who to see. If the AI doesn't recommend your practice, you are functionally invisible. How does it decide who to cite? The answer isn't just on your website. AI systems now evaluate your entire digital presence. It cross-references information across the web to build a trust profile. Inconsistencies make you less citable. The new objective isn't just ranking, it's earning AI citations. Your content must be built to be recommended. So the AI is scanning the entire web for credible sources to cite. What it deems credible may surprise you. A recent study found that for health queries, Google's AI cited YouTube more often than any medical website. Let that sink in. Video platforms are being treated as more authoritative than board-certified surgeon websites. This is why true authority now demands extensive off-site work. Your expertise must be confirmed everywhere. For instance, surgery pages that openly discuss risks outperform those that don't because it signals high trust. Organic visibility is clearly harder. So can't you just bypass this with paid advertising? Not anymore. Because AI gives direct answers, users click on ads less. For brands not cited, paid clicks fell by 68%. This means if the AI doesn't view you as an authority, even your paid advertisements become ineffective. Another factor now directly feeds the AI, your patient reviews. The specific language is analyzed for trust signals. Now, this doesn't mean your website ranking is pointless. About 38% of sources cited by AI are top 10 results. A high-ranking website is now the ticket to entry, not the finish line. So how do all these parts connect? The new model is a two-part system. First, prove your EEAT. Second, make that proof visible to AI everywhere. This isn't SEO anymore. It's building a digital authority infrastructure, distributing your proof across many sites. This multi-platform system creates the chorus of signals Google's new AI algorithm is built to reward. The contest has shifted from winning a keyword to demonstrating complete authority across the internet. Let's recap. Shift 1, the perspective. Update made provable, EEAT, the foundation for medical content. Shift 2, AI overviews become the new gatekeeper, making recommendations based on citations, not just links. Relying on old website-only SEO is a fundamentally mismatched strategy for this new environment. Success now requires a content authority system that broadcasts your expertise across many platforms. The question is no longer, how do I rank my website? How do I become the definitive citable authority? Subscribe now. Every episode explains something that's costing practices patience. Almost nobody talks about it.